In the UK, we experience 4 seasons each year. These are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Across the year, the average temperature and number of hours of daylight follow an annual pattern. They increase during spring, reach a maximum in the summer, decrease in autumn, and reach a minimum in the winter. This pattern is due to the fact the Earth orbits the Sun on a tilt. The Earth's axis is an imaginary line through the Earth from the North Pole to the South Pole. The axis does not point straight up as the Earth orbits the Sun. It is tilted by about 23.5 degrees. The Earth is tilted because more than 4 billion years ago, a planet-sized object hit the young Earth. This collision knocked the Earth's spin into a tilt. This tilt means the Earth's poles point slightly towards and away from the Sun. Which half of the Earth is pointing towards the Sun at any one time depends on where the Earth is in its orbit around the Sun. Sometimes the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun. At other times it's the southern hemisphere. The parts of the Earth that tilt towards the Sun receive sunlight for more hours of the day. The light is also more direct and less spread out, which provides more heat. So parts of the world tilted towards the Sun have longer, warmer days, which we call summer. The parts of the world tilted away from the Sun have shorter, cooler days, which we call winter. During the June solstice, the northern pole experiences its maximum tilt towards the Sun, and the northern hemisphere has its longest day. At the same time, the southern pole is experiencing its full tilt away from the Sun, and the southern pole has its shortest day. During the December solstice, the opposite is true. The Earth is not tilted towards or away from the Sun during the March and September equinoxes. These are the only times when day and night are roughly equal across the northern and southern hemispheres. Seasonal changes are not the same throughout the northern or southern hemispheres. They vary with latitude. Latitude means how far north or south a place is on Earth, and it is measured in degrees like an angle. The equator is an imaginary line running around the middle of the Earth like a belt, and it has a latitude of 0 degrees. The North Pole has a latitude of 90 degrees north, and the South Pole has a latitude of 90 degrees south. Areas at high latitudes, like the North and South Pole, experience 2 main seasons. It stays light for almost 24 hours a day in the summer, and dark for nearly 24 hours a day in the winter. Places at mid-latitudes, like the UK, experience 4 roughly equal seasons. Places near the Earth's equator do not experience changing seasons. These locations' average temperatures and number of hours of daylight are similar throughout the year. This is because they do not experience the change in tilt as the Earth orbits the Sun.